I have a math activity to show you that can also be a snack. So what you need is something that you would like to eat that also has lots of little pieces. So something like Cheerios or peanuts or almonds. I got a handful of almonds right here. Find something small that's okay for you to touch. Wash your hands first, and then you'll want to get some sort of plate or dish to put them on, or a clean table would work too. Okay, but you can watch me first before you go and get your own food, and then you can try this on your own. So I got this handful of almonds. How many do you think that is? Does it look like it's more than 5 or less than 5? I'd say it's probably more. It's definitely more than 5. Is it more than 100 or less than 100? I think it's less than 100. Well, we're going to figure out a way that we can find out how many there are pretty quickly. I don't want to count every single one, but what I can do pretty quickly is put them in groups of 5, because we're getting really good at 5s because we practice so much. So let's take a look and see how many I have. Alright, so here are my almonds, and I'm going to start putting them in groups of 5. Usually I see 3 and 2, or sometimes 4 and 1 more. Now I could be fancy and make it into little stars, but that's kind of slow. And I want to see if I can do this kind of fast. So I'm going to see, I see a 4 square and 1 more. So there's a group of 5. That's 2 5s. 5. 5. 5. 5. Oh, and now this one only has 4. Alright, so now we have all of our almonds in groups of 5 except for our last few right here. I'm putting them off to the edge so we know they're not a group of 5. Now what's 5 and 5? 5 and 5 is 10. So that's 10. That's 2 10s. And look, here's one other 5 and 5. 3 10s. And 4. I just figured out that I have 3 10 4. And the really cool thing about grouping them in 5s is I can double check. I can say 10, 2 10, 3 10. Yep. But if I'm only counting them one at a time, if I lose my place, I have to start over. But here I can see my groups of 5, and then when I see 2 groups, I know it's 10s. So you can, and then if you want to, you can put them all together and practice doing it again and see if you can get even faster at seeing the groups of 5. Because the more we practice something, the better and better we get. That worked out the same, didn't it? So now it's your turn to find something in your house, and it wouldn't have to be something you can eat. I just thought that would be fun, that you could have a snack when you finish. But you could do something like Legos or barrettes or really anything you have around your house that you can get a bunch of them, and then make a guess at how many you think there will be, and then put them in groups of 5 and find out.